Hey, what is going on, guys? It is really absolutely amazing how this course became so popular, and you guys love it, absolutely love it. Thank you so much for the great ratings. I appreciate every single one of you. And so I decided to invest more into adding more content to this course and reorganize the sections. And I just want to go through some of the stuff that I've been adding. Every month, I have to add a few more content and really it's been amazing experience. You guys ask fantastic questions which essentially lead to more content to the course, and then the course is growing. I know it's at 14 hours right now. Obviously you cannot finish it in one sitting. You have to take it slowly, digest it and read it through, get ideas, ask questions, which will lead to discussions. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Let's go through the stuff that I recently added. Here's the course content. I created the first section is basically all the courses updates. The last update I made, just physically updating you guys, making a video about it, was October 2020. But every month after that I kept adding more content without explicitly making videos about them. I essentially tweet about it and talk about it on my YouTube channel. But essentially it's been I'm gonna add a new video here too. This is for April 2021. Acid. I created this specific section for all the acid videos, just because this is a very interesting topic, right? The idea of having atomicity, consistency, and isolation and durability. I believe every engineer should understand this. All right, so that's why I started adding more content to this, examples, and even more stuff coming that fits into this section. So I believe it deserves its own section there. Database indexing, man, my god, I've been adding more and more content to this, and exclusive content, and I have videos coming here with Postgres Explain and so much other stuff as well. So database indexing, definitely keep a watch for this. I'll keep adding more content, and you guys have been asking me to make more content in the database indexing space. So it's really huge. Partitioning, obviously another underrated feature of the DBMS. We don't talk about partitioning, we talk about sharding a lot. Partitioning is as important, as powerful of a concept. I've been adding content to that. Database sharding, obviously this is the more mainstream and buzzword that we hear over there, so I just try to demystify it. Whatever you're gonna learn here, as essentially I don't use tools or anything like that. I try to build it from scratch, so you have full understanding of what sharding really means, and that's basically the key here, really. Concurrency control, locks, the idea of deadlocks, two-phase locking, how two transactions are concurrently trying to execute things, isolation, the concept of isolation. Database replication, another also underrated feature, where you have a kind of a master primary database and you have other replicas that can take these reads, right, and then you can hit them directly. Very powerful concept for horizontal scalability. A lot of people say, hey, relational database doesn't scale. That is absolutely wrong. You can scale them, right? You can do all these kind of things before jumping to other database systems. You gotta solve, you have a lot of tools to solve your problem. You don't have to move to another database. Obviously I am planning to make videos for NoSQL, graph databases. I don't think it fits into this course. It's probably going to be another course, but I want to give the relational databases its essentially its justice, because it's not given this justice. A lot of videos from YouTube, I think free, available here, ad free for you, like system designs that I've been doing on my YouTube channel. This is available for you here to watch, ad free. Obviously I went through a Twitter system design, a short URL system design. It's all available here. I'm planning to make more exclusive content for the course right here. Introduction to database engines, B3 engines, LSM3 engines. I know, guys, you asked me to make specific videos for this. These are upcoming, so watch out for that. But essentially the engines, the database engines, are so powerful. This is the underlining cogs that executes anything that above the database. It's very, very critical to understand these. And you will appreciate what the database does when you actually do this. Obviously, go through demo. Database cursors, another underrated feature. We don't talk about this stuff. Stateful versus stateless cursors, client server side cursor versus server side cursor. What is the benefits of both? When should I use this over the other? I give examples with Python here. Database security, again, another very powerful feature. Like, what does it mean for the database to be secure? Really, what does it mean? So we try to demystify some of the stuff here. This is you will not find anything about this anywhere. This is technically really exclusive. Homomorphic encryption. This is a very fresh concept. Let's go through the problem first. The problem is when you store data into database, it's most of the time it's plain text. You never store encrypted data, right? In your besides password, I'm talking, right? Like profile, user, customer data, it's all plain text and decrypted, right? So that means if your database is leaked, everybody got all your information. Homomorphic encryption allows you to store the database encrypted and don't even have the key. Let the key belong to the user itself. You don't really store the key because that's just pointless, right? If you store the key in the database, that's just pointless. Database homomorphic encryption is technology that's being researched now to allow you to perform database searches or operations on encrypted data without actually looking. It's mind-boggling. Take a look at this. This is beautiful stuff. I use it, and there's examples and stuff like that. It's at its infancy now, and there's obviously various database discussions. I try to pull whatever useful stuff here. Discussion between Postgres, MySQL, distributed transactions, and discussions that is like if you're willing to go far and beyond, and we have a discussion right here, we can have these discussions, right? It's like, how do you store, how does that what kind of protocols becomes really beneficial if I store if I use it in my database and all other stuff. Guys, keep up the good work. Thank you so much, appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for checking out this course, and make sure to rate the course if you like it, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. You guys stay awesome. Goodbye.